Have you ever reached the end of the month, looked at your bank balance, and realized you have no idea how much of that money is actually yours to spend versus how much you owe the IRS? When I first started freelancing, I was treating my business bank account like one giant bucket. It was a mess. But switching to Relay changed how I manage my cash flow because it isn't just a place to store money, it's a system. Here is exactly how I use it to stay organized and profitable without the bank balance illusion. First, I stopped using just one account. Relay lets you open up to 20 individual checking accounts for free with no minimum balances. I personally use 5. I have a main income account where every client payment lands. From there, I move money into taxes, operating expenses, owner's pay, and a profit account. This is essentially the profit first method, and it's the only way I've been able to ensure I'm actually getting paid while staying ahead of tax season. The real game changer is the auto transfer rules. Instead of doing manual math every time I get a $2,000 deposit, I've set up a rule in Relay. Now, the moment money hits my income account, Relay automatically shuffles 30% to taxes and 15% to my operating expenses. I don't even have to think about it. The money for my software subscriptions and estimated tax payments is already set aside before I can accidentally spend it. I also leverage their virtual debit cards. I have a specific virtual card for my recurring software subscriptions and another for one-off project expenses. If a subscription gets too expensive or I want to cut costs, I can freeze that specific card without affecting my other payments. Plus, every time I swipe, Relay sends a text reminder to my phone asking for a photo of the receipt. I snap a picture, upload it right there, and it syncs directly to QuickBooks. No more hunting through my email or shoeboxes in April. For those of you working with contractors or VAs, the Team Access feature is a lifesaver. You can give your bookkeeper read-only access so they can pull statements without you having to export CSVs every month. Or, if you have a virtual assistant, you can issue them their own debit card with a strict spending limit, keeping your main funds secure while empowering them to handle small purchases. If you're still using a traditional bank that charges you maintenance fees just to hold your own money, you're making freelancing harder than it needs to be. Relay makes the financial side of the business feel like it's on autopilot so you can focus on the actual work. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.